In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe test account. Whether you're starting your journey in e-commerce or just want to experiment with online payment systems safely, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options like Start Now or Sign Up. Click on either of these to begin the registration process. On the next page, you'll find the sign-up form where you'll need to provide a few basic details to set up your account. Next, enter your email address, full name, secure password, and country of residence. These details help Stripe customize your account based on your region and usage. Once you've filled everything out, click Create Account. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox for a confirmation link and follow the instructions to verify your account before proceeding. After you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. This is your control center for managing all things related to your account. From here, you can view transactions, reports, and other important features. To complete the setup, go to the Profile Setup section within your dashboard and fill out any remaining details, such as contact information or business specifics. Once you've reviewed everything carefully, click Agree and Submit to confirm your details and finalize your setup. To make the process smoother, make sure you use a valid email address, choose a strong password, and keep your login credentials safe. This ensures your account remains secure and easy to manage. Once your setup is complete, your account will automatically enter test mode. This is a safe environment where you can explore Stripe's features, simulate transactions, and test integrations without handling real payments. You can experiment freely to understand how Stripe works before going live. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create your Stripe test account quickly and start testing payments safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.